the heat shield and taking off the little insulation panel that we have on the hood.
Oh, look at that. Dude, you got the iPhone curve?
Oh, there, don't lose that one.
Oh, it's on there.
There we go. Insulation panel removed. So it is. We disconnected the from the splitter to the left side and the right side. We disconnected it there, and that's all we really need to do. Because from here on out, we just need to remove these two bolts on either side. The hood should come off. We don't have any openings for the to secure the windshield nozzles. There's no holes or anything, so I guess it's just going to be hanging out for now. It does already have a latch built in, so there's no need to transfer the old latch to the new. What else? So that's the bumper stock. That is this bit right over here. Unfortunately, we can't throw this piece on because there's nothing there to attach it to. We have hardware, and yeah, that's it. But it's a good looking head.
You know what it is? Yeah, yeah.
I gotta go home, right?
Oh, yeah.
I love ratchet.
Mark.
No.
My question is, should we use the hardwood that already comes?
There's a bracket. Oh, it's still attached to this. Come on, Diggs. There we go. Okay.
Did I do that?
This thing, there we go.
thing's light,
See, I told you it's aluminum.
But you're driving around without the hood. Look at this, man.
I like cardboard.
There we go.
Now we just set her down. Or drop it. There we go.
This will look nice on the wall. The back.
What? We got lock washers and we got. So you gotta put it in position. I'll put them in.
Is that into the car?
No, this is the one in right.
Say what?
I don't want to tighten them, huh?
I just realized that right now. What the heck? I don't even know about Jack.
Drop it. Good. Release. There's a little washer, metal bracket washer that you have to put in between. That is it. That's literally all you need to replace the hood. Well, you don't want to do it too high up.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Let's remove the latch.
That's so scary. Gloss black truck.
Gloss.
Realistic black truck. I don't even want to drop it.
There you go. Look at that fitment.
Dude, that's so scary, man.
You broke it.
I'm scared, bro.
That one's longer.
Yeah, so I'm saying. That explains why this thing isn't close all the way down.
You're gonna do the honors and you put this here.
You good? Yep.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Sit on it.
Is this how the old hood was? Did this stick out? I thought the old hood covered this.
No, it didn't come out.
Oh, it stayed out like this?
Yeah, but it's kind of tight on there. I feel like, I don't know, should we tighten it a little bit?
Let's tighten it down a little bit more, but let's, anyways, we still have to put on the little...
Yeah, she's not even in the area. She was even on the plane somewhere on her story. I saw it. Yeah, I just realized that right now. What the heck? I don't even know about Jack. This car is getting me in the way.
on this side's perfect. It's good here.
This side could be.
Kind of widens up a little bit over here, and then over here is where it gets pretty dang wide. It looks good. And that's the important part. Seibon Carbon Fiber Hood has been installed on the EVO 10. We went with the dual vents. We didn't go for the triple vents. We still got the little mini hood scoop there. We transferred our nozzles. This nozzle's good. That one is a little loose. Just a little bit. The hood looks pretty dang good. Very simple installation. Two 12mm bolts. Two 12mm bolts. Make sure you have another person there to help you out. Hold it in place and swap out any parts you need to swap out, which wasn't much. Just the nozzles. Everything else stays on.